101.1 Smart FM, the spirit of Indonesia. Yes, as usually every Tuesday at 7 p.m. Of course, we have a special program, namely Smart Up Your Life English, English communities. Yeah, English discussion with English communities, of course. And as usually, I'm not alone here. We have a friend from a few communities. And before we are going to talking about our topic for this evening, of course, I would like to invite them to introduce themselves each other one by one. Okay. Hi guys, how are you?
Hi,
Hi, how are you?
I'm okay.
Fine, thank you. Good, pretty good, excellent, great, and etc. Okay. While we waiting our friend to join with us, of course we will talking. Introduce ourselves each other one by one to smart viewers and listeners at home. And I would like to start from you, bro. Please introduce yourself. What is your name? What is your study club? What about the agenda or the schedule, please? Yeah.
Okay, thank you. Thank you, I should say. For beginners, for the openers, I'd say my name is Fauzan. You can call me Fauzan.
Okay.
For viewers at home,
Welcome
my
back.
Fauzan.
Fauzan. Welcome
Exactly, welcome back. For those of you who knows, at least,
Mhm.
I've been appearing quite a few times lately.
back. Okay.
But yes, you can say that it is coming back. It feels good to be home because there is no place like home.
Uh-huh. So, could you explain about your communities? I mean, what is your communities? What stand for?
Yeah, so
What about the schedule, please?
So we came from PMEC.
Mm-hmm.
Community stands for Polytechnic Makassar English Club.
Okay.
So we are very inclusive, exclusive based in Polytechnic Makassar,
Mm-hmm.
and we are conducting a lot of experiments,
Yes.
learning something new every week, every Saturday, and we're about to open recruitment for those of you students at Polytechnic Makassar.
Okay.
So,
For more detailed information about PMAC itself, could you mention the social media? I mean, special for Instagram, please, to smart viewers and listeners at home, please.
so yeah, our social media
Yeah.
is pmec.info with double O. That is pmec.infoo.
Okay.
Thank you.
Okay. Thank you, Fauzan. Okay. Next, you, the one and only.
Okay, before I
The youngest. Oh my
The
god.
oldest one above.
No. The youngest. Yeah.
Thank you so
Okay,
much.
please
yeah.
introduce yourself. What is
Okay.
your name? What is your meeting club? And what about the agenda or the schedule, please?
Okay, before it, I want to say Muslim greeting. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. And good evening, everybody.
Good evening.
Okay, this is actually I've been joining many times here, yeah,
Oh wow.
for English Club, and now maybe the fourth time, yeah.
Uh-huh.
Okay, my name is Abdul Majid.
Mhm.
Yeah, this is I'm the oldest among of you. Yeah, because
The
Mona-
legend, yeah.
Yeah.
Uh-huh.
Now I'm 81 years old.
Wow.
Yeah. I was born on July 17, 1943.
I can't imagine,
Yeah,
guys,
it's like,
smart
yeah.
listeners.
Before
Yes.
getting independence,
Mhm.
I was 2 years old in the time.
Wow.
Okay, I've joined English like this one more than 40 years.
Wow.
Yeah. You weren't born in the time.
No.
Yeah, 40 years.
Uh-huh.
And then my job now is my guide, local guide.
Okay.
Yeah, until Toraja, Bulukumba, Bali, more than 20 years.
Oh wow.
40 years ago.
Ah.
Yeah.
Okay, so how do we call you, smart listeners? To call you?
We
What
call
is your
just
nickname?
only
Sir Majid.
only or Majid.
Okay, Sir Majid. Okay,
Yes, Sir
welcome back in our second home.
Yeah.
Okay, thank you, Sir Majid. Okay, you. Hi, the most beautiful here. Okay, could you introduce yourself to smart listeners and viewers at home? What is your name? What is your meeting club or study club? What about the agenda and the schedule, please?
Okay, thank you for the opportunity.
Yes.
So, hello everyone, good evening.
Good evening.
This is actually my first time being here, and my name is Lamdwi Retno Ari Larasati, but people usually call me Laras. And yes, right now I'm 19 years old, and I'm from PMEC, same as Kak Fauzan. And I'm currently a student at Polytechnic Pariwisata Makassar in my 3rd semester.
Okay, could you
Thank you.
explain a little bit about PMC itself?
So just like Kak Fauzan said, PMEC is an exclusive club from the Tourism Polytechnic of Makassar, and we're currently open recruitment for those for the students of Polytechnic Pariwisata Makassar. So come and join us, guys.
Okay, please repeat again about the Instagram.
So our Instagram is at pmec.info with double O, which is pmec.infoo.
Okay, thank you. Welcome,
Thank you,
Laras,
Kak.
in our second home. Yes, as I mentioned just now, that my promise that I would like to mention our topic for this evening, and yeah, this topic is it's a very very actually simple but impressive.
Very, very unique.
Yeah, I call this it's very impressive, but
Impressive, yeah.
simplicity, but unique. Because we will talking about reality.
Yeah.
Where we spend our time, our daily activity, our daily life in our really, really place.
Yeah.
And our topic for this evening is there is no place like home. Give it a applause for us. Come on. Yes, our topic is once again there is no place like home. Okay, I would like to ask random people. You, Laras, okay, from PMEC. How do you think about our topic for this evening?
So first of all, thank you.
Mhm.
When I first heard about the topic, what came in my mind is
Mhm.
home, a place where we feel comfortable, a
Yeah.
place where we can be ourselves,
Uh-huh.
and a place where we feel comfort, safe
Uh-huh.
and sound. I think that's simple.
Uh-huh.
So I think it's a great topic, and it's a very familiar to me.
Mhm.
So yes, I
but
think that's all.
meaningful.
Yes,
It's
of course.
simplicity but meaningful.
Meaningful.
Yeah, because as you mentioned just now, this is we can how to say it's very comfort, yeah, in another place on earth, something like that. Okay, but you keep your statement. We will continue our conversation, but would like to move to you, Sir Majid. How do you think about our topic for this evening?
Yeah.
There is no place like home. Please using this.
Yeah, of course, like this one, yeah. It's
Yeah, don't forget.
the best of the topic, like this one, yeah. There's no place like home.
Yes.
Because home is a kind of my best place.
Uh-huh.
Yeah. Even
Right.
though you stay in another hotel, the best hotel, the big star,
Right.
it's better my home.
Why?
Yeah,
Why?
Because
Why?
home is we can do everything.
Uh-huh.
What we want it. Yeah.
Uh-huh,
Yeah,
uh-huh.
sleeping or naked up to you.
Oh my God.
Because nobody to see us.
Yes,
We
yes.
close the door in
Yes.
our room.
It's
Okay.
very totally
Yeah,
relaxed.
relax in the
Totally
time.
relaxed.
Yeah,
And
because-
absolutely
Yeah.
in how to say all of things in our hand.
Yeah, on
I
the
mean,
hand
there is
side,
no
yeah.
rules.
Yeah,
there is
there's no rule.
Uh-huh.
Everything is free for us. What
Mhm.
can I do? Naked room, nobody. I close the door.
Yeah.
Nobody see us.
Yeah.
Yeah, use
uh,
all air condition.
There is no
problem.
tax.
Yeah,
There
yeah.
is no charge.
Yeah, there is no charge.
There is
Nobody
no
knock it.
PPN.
Yeah. It's peace at midnight. Yeah.
Yes.
If you still get up from the sleeping.
Yes.
Sometimes we naked it. Yeah, no problem.
Mm.
Yeah, free for me. I like it. Without
Okay.
wearing underwear because I'm alone at home. I'm alone sleep
Uh-huh.
and close the door well.
Yeah. So
Yeah.
this is about your healthy perspective.
Yeah,
In the
perspective.
sense that if you don't using even a one piece, it's
Yeah.
more healthy.
Yeah,
In
more healthy
health-
like this one.
In health perspective.
Yeah, because if I wear like this underwear, I'm afraid to get hot. Yeah, to get the hot in here because only use pen. I
Okay.
close door well, and then I
Okay.
stay alone at home.
Okay, keep your statement, Sir
Yeah.
Majid. Okay, I would like to move to you. Yeah, Fauzan, please introduce yours. Sorry. Yeah. No. Come on. Okay, I would like to ask you, how do you think about our topic for this evening?
It was a rather touching moment.
Mm-hmm.
It was, of course, when you said about simple but meaningful,
Yeah.
it resounded to heart, ladies and
Uh-huh.
gentlemen, because it is true. There's no place like home.
Mm-hmm.
But what I consider or what I think about when I heard this phrase,
Mm-hmm.
I do not think about my house. I do not think about a building.
So what do you think?
I think about a person.
A
that is home.
person. How looks like?
a person,
person.
that I can call home.
Oh yeah.
Somebody to return to. Somebody to heal me when I'm
Mhm.
broke.
Mhm.
Somebody to return to
Mhm.
when I'm nothing.
Mhm.
Somebody that I will make happy.
How many stars do you put on your home? Like a hotel, we have a 5 stars hotel, we have a 7, we have a 3. How many stars you put for your home? How many? How many stars?
It was, how to put this in English,
Yes.
indescribable,
Uh-huh. Undescribable. Okay.
incredible.
Okay.
To you, my home, thank you.
Okay. keep your statement, Fauzan. Okay. Okay, we move to new friend here from new community. Hi, bro.
Hello.
How are you?
I'm good, thank you.
Good. Okay, welcome back. Sorry, welcome, not welcome back, because you are this is your first
Yeah, this is
time
my first
to
time.
come here in Smart FM. Of
Yeah.
course, because Smart FM is our second home as a member of English community, because we are in a English communities program of discussion. So once again, welcome in our second home.
Okay, thank you so much.
Okay. Before we are going to talking about topic for this evening, I would like to invite you to introduce yourself. What is your name? What is your community? What about the schedule and the agenda to smart viewers and listeners at home, please?
Okay. I will introduce myself. My name is Andi Rahmat Ansari, and then I'm from SEC English Camp and Community in the Puncak Maros. And then, for what is in the schedule?
Yes.
Our
I
schedule.
mean, it's special for your meeting club or your
Our
when
meeting
you
club.
study. Yeah.
When our study, we try to give it study English for our students,
Okay.
and then we try to not just let them on study, but we entertain them how to build the character, like attitude, manner, and English and world.
Character building.
Yeah, character building.
Okay.
Okay.
So what about the regular meeting? I mean, like, when you study in massive in outdoor area. What about the schedule about that?
About the schedule in the outdoor studying. In outdoor studying, we try to introduce them how to blundering into nature. Especially, we have so many students from Islamic too, and then from Islamic we entertain them how to like your English,
Okay.
but don't forget your God.
Ah.
Like especially
Okay.
like that.
Next is for more detailed information about ECC itself. You may mention the social media or Instagram to smart listeners and viewers at home, and they may ask anything. Please mention the Instagram.
The Instagram.
Yes.
Okay, guys. Thank you so much. If you have any question and then you want to try to join to the ACC, please join to the ACC Makassar Puncak Maros and FB ACC and the ACC Puncak Maros. Thank you.
Okay. How do we call you?
Andy.
Andy.
Yeah.
Okay, Andy, once again, welcome. Okay, my question. Our topic for this evening is there is no place like home.
Yeah.
You got it, the point. Absolutely. So, how do you think about our topic for this evening?
Okay, there is no place like home.
Mm-hmm.
As we know, there is no place, the best place in our living, especially in our home,
Why?
especially back to our family,
Okay,
like
why?
a father
Uh-huh.
and then our mom,
Uh-huh.
our brother and sister.
Uh-huh.
But we need the second house too.
Uh-huh.
Especially in ACC,
Mm-hmm.
we got this.
Mm.
I mean, if somebody have, we don't know, mention about the problem of the student, like, why you so lazy? Why you don't like to be like this? I'm sorry, sir. I have a broken home. I have this.
Oh.
My mother is not compatible with me. My father is too hard or push me so hard
Mhm.
and make me like this.
Which one is push? You mean push like this?
Not push like
Ah.
this, but try to pull them.
Kidding.
But try them too hard, like study too hard,
Yeah.
and then don't giving them appreciated,
Uh-huh.
and then they feel so. Oh my God, what is feeling? It's make me feel so under pressure.
Okay.
And then we try to hug them with
Mm.
our with our courage. Like,
Mm.
it's okay, no problem. They are still your family.
Mhm.
They are still your family. But remember,
Mm.
you can back to SCC, but the better place in the world is still your home.
Yeah,
You-
absolutely.
You can be changed.
I agree.
But if you want to feel the better and the best ever,
Mhm.
you can back to God.
Okay. Okay, thank you. Give your
Yes.
statement. Okay, we move to the next question. Okay, when we're talking about the best place, of course, is home. Yeah, the best ever. But when we're talking about the hierarchy, what the best place after home? Okay, you. What the best place after home? I mean, like hierarchy. Like in hierarchy, maybe in the second. Yeah. What the best place?
After home.
Yeah, after
the best
home.
place after home.
Yes.
Well, I don't. A second home.
Maybe your
No,
the
no,
second
no, no,
home
no,
is
no, no.
Poltek Park or Smart FM
Yeah,
or
yeah,
in
yeah,
another
yeah, yeah.
place or
Hotel, yeah.
yeah.
I see. I see.
Uh-huh.
No, no, no.
Just
no, no.
mention and give the reason why.
The second better place for me.
Mm,
It is personal answer, but it is my personal point of view.
yes.
But the best place after my home, or the people that I called home, is
Mhm.
of course PMEC for me.
Ah, yeah, yeah.
There's
yeah.
no place
Uh-huh.
after my home, of course.
Uh-huh.
Like we are so close together. I've watched these
Mhm.
organizations
Mhm.
kind of grew
Eat together.
together,
Pray
building
together.
memories,
Yes.
building something that would last even after we're done.
Mhm. And
being
dance together also.
students. It was priceless, of course,
Uh-huh.
and you can get that experience anywhere.
Uh-huh.
And it's true, guys. And it's not just for gimmicks. I'm saying it because it is real, isn't it? Partner, there's my partner here, standing
No.
next to the host. She can, what kind of? She can confirm it.
Mm. Okay.
Maybe that's it.
Yeah, yeah, I got the point. Okay, thank you. What about you, Sir Majid, as the legend of of a member of study
Yeah.
club in
The old
Sulawesi in
legend.
East Indonesia?
Grandpa.
More than 40 years.
Yeah.
Wow, oh my God, active in English
Yeah.
club. Okay, where is the second best place after home
Yeah,
in
the-
your point of view?
This I don't have like the second place after home
Uh-huh.
because home is my best friend. My
Yeah.
best home.
Uh-huh, uh-huh.
Yeah, there's another one. Even though we still how to say stay in the fifth star of hotel, it's
Mhm.
better than my home.
Mm,
Yeah, because home is we can do everything.
mhm.
What do we like?
Mhm.
This one.
But if you just imagine, I mean,
Oh,
like,
imagine.
yeah, imagine
Yeah.
where the place is the second after.
Yeah, this like
home.
the place I like very much. Special, I go to the mountain
Ooh.
like Malino. Yeah, if you have time to
Oh.
enjoy the climate there, the cool,
Uh-huh.
enjoy the panorama, and enjoy
Okay.
something.
You like
this.
mountain.
Yeah,
You
something
like
this.
how to say vegetation.
Yeah,
How to say vegetation?
yeah.
Sorry.
You say
Vegetation.
flowers there.
Flowers,
we can see, fresh everything.
trees.
We think like fresh our bodies.
Oh
this
yeah.
I like very much in the out of the city because city is a crowded place.
So are you like a climbing?
Not climbing, but only to see the panorama.
The panorama, the views.
Yeah, the view about it. Yeah, space of vegetation,
Uh-huh.
mountain, and other. I like
Mhm.
very much like this one.
Ah,
Then
okay.
the city is crowded and very busy.
It's totally different with 1991.
Yeah, of course different. 91. Yeah,
Losari at
yeah.
the past time,
yeah,
1991.
different now.
Yeah.
Because
yeah.
Rosari now is so crowded.
Yeah.
Before only some people they sit there
Uh-huh.
and enjoy sitting on the hottest the bench of the sea
Mhm.
and enjoy special banana grill. You know
Banana
banana grill?
grill.
Pisang epe.
Yes. Isn't it?
Yeah.
Uh-huh.
Because
Everybody
this,
like it.
Yeah,
That
of
is
course,
very
at the time,
iconic.
Yeah, 40 years ago, but
Mm.
now so crowded of people
Yeah.
because now Makassar is including the densest population,
Okay.
penduduk terpadat in South Sulawesi.
Oh wow!
Yeah.
Absolutely. Okay.
Yeah, that's right.
Keep your statement. I would like to move to you. In hierarchy, yeah. If you just imagine, if you put the second position, which one is the best place after home?
So I kind of agree with Kak Fauzan there when
You cannot agree.
I can
You
agree,
can.
yes.
Okay.
So
Okay.
when he said that home is not just a place but a
Mhm.
person, so my second home is actually where my friends are in.
Mhm.
So yes, why? Because I have a closest friend which is
You know when
my-
you speak,
Yeah.
I imagine a Miss Universe, Miss World, Putri Indonesia, and something like that. Yeah, yeah. I believe. Okay, continue.
Okay, back to the topic.
Uh-huh.
So, why my friends are considered my second home? Because even though I feel comfortable at my home with my family, but there are still some boundaries that I can't tell them yet, maybe someday. But when I'm with my friends, I can laugh freely. I can tell them literally anything. Yes, I feel comfortable with them. So I think that is my second home.
So PMEC.
PMEC, I think, yeah, they're considered my friends too. Yeah, but I have a closest friends where I can tell them anything and they tell me anything too. So it's like comfortable and so meaningful to me. I think that's all.
Okay, congratulations. Okay, thank you, Laras. Next, you. Okay, you continue that ECC is the second best place, right? But why? The big why. What is the big why for you?
The big why for why I choose my second better place like home is ACC, because as a tutor I'm so very happy because I always never feel like that because my administrator always giving me support how to studying your education.
You say never feel like that? I say how you like that? Continue. Kidding.
And then that's make me very happy because I always studying the student, educate the student from the attitude and manner. They start from zero and they always crying to me, "Sir, why your vocabulary is so much? Sir, why the grammar is so hard? I don't know why. What should I do?" So it's okay, no problem. It's gonna make you deaf or something. Just try it. If you make a wrong, we make you right.
Just try it.
Yes.
Trust me, it works.
Yeah. So that's why. And then they in the last night they always cry and then, "Sir, I can't forget this moment." Yeah, I can forget this moment too. But just still remember, don't forget, you still like your home. In your home as have a family, and the SEC is your second place, and then forget your God.
Wow, good point. Okay, thank you, Andy. Yeah,
My pleasure.
okay. We move to the next question. Yeah, yeah. Still our topic. There is no place like home. Yeah. Sometimes we need family time. Yeah. Okay. My question is, what are you doing, guys, when you gathered with your family at home? Yes. Maybe start from you, Sir Majid. What are you doing actually? What do you like to spend time gather with the family? What are you doing, guys?
If we are gathering with our families at home, especially if we have spare time, like for weekend, like Saturday and Sunday.
Yeah.
This we are gathering together, enjoy together, and happy together, and eating together.
Are you guys still watching television?
Yeah, sometimes like that.
Oh, sometimes.
But I like watching if there is a. This is channel 27. I like.
Oh yeah,
Yeah,
27.
because
You like
Muslim
it?
film.
Yeah. But in the first time, only a view, right?
Yeah, just I like this because I want to know about the pronunciation. Oh, like
Ah,
this one.
yeah.
And this only it. I like it. If I have spare time at home, of course, gathering with my family at home, a special weekend, Saturday and Sunday. After that, we are separated because this is Saturday. There's another. Yeah, my children go to school, another go to work, and myself is retired.
Okay.
Always stay at home.
So you gather, eat together.
Yeah, together.
And sometimes watching television.
Together, sometimes make funny together, happy together.
What about speaking practice?
Yeah, sometimes practice with my granddaughter.
Okay.
Yeah, because my granddaughter is a student of the Academy for Language, but still the first state the first state pertama
Okay.
dulu,
So sometimes you say that you're speaking practice with your granddaughter.
Sometimes
Are you still using a tool for communication in local language at home? Are you still using it?
mostly both of them we use it.
Okay.
Sometimes combine the local language, sometimes
International.
sometimes national, yeah, only.
Uh,
It depends of them.
Okay.
If say they talk in Makassar, we talk Makassar.
Okay,
Yeah.
interesting. Yeah. Okay, thank you, Sir Majid. Okay, Andy, back to you. Okay, what are you doing, guys? I mean, guys, not only you, but your family also. If you spend your time at your home, because you say that home is the best place. So, what are you doing, guys, when you gather together?
Actually, at my home, I always giving education from my mom, especially in spirituality,
Mm-hmm.
and then always give me grant and don't be lazy,
Mm-hmm.
don't be harsh,
Mm-hmm.
and don't forget to say grace to Allah. Always like that. And then I always joking with my father about how he lived in 90s, and then it's so very hard, not so enjoy like you in 2000 like this.
Mm-hmm.
And then
May we
just
know where your village?
my village.
Yeah.
I live in Toli Toli.
Oh wow,
Yeah,
so
I come
far.
from Totori.
So you are Kylie tribe?
No, I'm my parents is still in the Bone, but they have a job work in the Toli Toli.
Okay, so when you back to your village, where do you go? Bone or Toli Toli or where?
In Toli Toli, I can go back because I'm staying in Makassar forever.
Whatever.
Forever.
Oh, wow. Wow. I like
Yes, of
his.
course.
I like his
Yes.
statement. I like his statement. Forever.
Yeah.
It's very confident.
You get married here.
So yeah, back to the topic, back to
Yes.
the laptop.
Okay.
So the point is, when you gather with your family, the motivation, talking together, and what else?
Especially my
Yeah, just okay. Go with the flow.
my big head sister always ask me to, hey, improve your English.
Mm-hmm.
Sometimes the children say to Oni-chan, because his husband only from Japan, so he's always push me in Japanese and English too. But sometimes
I'm imagine, still imagine push like this.
not like this,
Uh-huh.
but the physical. And then I don't know how can I describe it, but I love my family.
Take a long breath. Okay, excellent. Okay, thank you.
My pleasure.
Okay, Larasati. No, different.
Yes, it's Larasate.
Oh yeah.
Yes.
Okay. Okay. What about your version? What do you do, guys, or did when you gather together your family at home, especially in Java, when you back to your village?
So actually, right now in Makassar,
Mhm.
my parents are in Moncongloe, but I
Okay.
live in Cendrawasih because it's closer to my universe, to my
Mhm.
campus. And then
University.
Yes, university. I'm sorry. And then, but usually in the at the weekend, I
Mhm.
come home, and when we're having a family time, we usually just talk when we got dinner,
Mhm.
and then I talk with my sister. I have
Mhm.
2 younger sisters and 1 brother, but he passed away.
Mhm.
So here's the thing: I always talk English with my younger sister called Noni.
Mhm.
Yeah, she's an amazing English speaker. So she's like 12 years old, but her pronunciation is like me. So
Mm.
yes, I think she's amazing, but sometimes
It's
she
like a few step forward.
yes, she's
Wow.
actually. But the thing is, she also feels very insecure. Like she's shy. Like
Mhm.
she's too shy to show to the world that she can do it. So
Mm.
yeah, so we usually just talk between sisters, and then when I come back home at Java,
Mhm.
the first thing is I always come back to my grandmother.
Okay.
Yes, I really love my grandmother.
How old are?
I think she's 80. Yes, just like Mr. yes,
Ooh.
Mr. Majid. Yes,
Wow.
80. Yes, she's in her 80, and then. When I'm with my grandmother, she usually told me tales, stories about how her romance life and how she lived her life in the young. So I think that's all, and it's really refreshing for me.
And fresh outside,
Yes.
health inside.
Yes.
Okay, thank you, Laras. Okay, your Fauzan, you get the point. What about your version when you gather
Of
with your
course,
crew?
of
What are
course,
you
of
doing,
course.
guys?
Okay, what we're doing in free time?
Mm-hmm.
Not really
With
much.
your family, with your family.
Yeah, of course, with my family.
No, not other
No.
families. Yeah.
Not like in my free time I'll go to radio. No.
Uh-huh.
With my families, of course. Okay, we had a big family actually. Family of 5, you can say. I have a lot of siblings. One brother, 2 sisters, something like that. So it's always fun. Like every time we get together,
Yeah.
we'd play a siblings games, whether it is a Ludo.
Oh,
What's the
Ludo.
English
Are you
word for
still
Ludo? I think
playing
it's-
it?
We're playing it
Ludo.
sometimes.
Monopoly.
Card games.
Ular tangga.
Card games
Uh-huh.
like Truth or Dare, something like that. I mean, they're all grown-ups. So it's the little things that make it good. It's the little thing that make it matters. You know,
So where is your village?
I was born and raised here at the city, guys. So
So
I don't raise in the village.
Ujung Pandang. So
Makassar.
your village is Ujung Pandang, right?
Yes.
Yeah.
So yeah, we're city boy.
Yeah,
Where's
yeah.
the
Oh, okay, Ujung Pandang, yeah. Let's make a deal, Ujung
That's why
Pandang.
the style.
Right,
we
Ujung
get
Pandang,
together
right?
is
Sir Majid,
different.
yeah, no Makassar, Ujung Pandang.
Back in the 90s.
Yeah, yes.
Now it's Makassar.
Okay, thank you guys. Giving applause first for us.
Thank you.
Yes, yeah. Okay, my next question about home. Yeah. Yeah. You know, as a human being, of course, we have a dream, we have a target, we have a goal, we have a ambition, resolution. You know, guys, because as a human being, we want to improve our self, our life, include our home as a best place. So the question is, Laras, okay, what kind of home future? Do you get the point? Okay, 30 second for you. Okay, what is your dream home? How looks like? Like luxurious, or there is aviary? You know, have aviary hutan buatan like Irfan Hakim. Have, or just like front of sawah, or behind of the behind of the waterfall maybe, or how looks like your dream home in the future?
Yes.
Yeah, come on.
I've read a lot of novels and fantasy stories. So my dream house would look like a cottage in the middle of the forest.
Oh,
Yes, with no bears. No, it's like it's like I'm going to live a simple life as like a village girl, not a farmer. Like I
hold on, please. Hold on. Okay, please.
I plant flowers and then like I go to the mountains and
Okay.
then rivers.
Like Masha.
Kinda, yes. So I cook
Masha and the beer.
myself, and then sometimes there will be guests, but not for too long because I feel comfortable alone. But I think for my family, yes, they can stay, but only for a few weeks because I like to be alone.
Oh,
Yes.
because you're introvert.
Yes, kinda.
Ooh, it's
Yes, that's my dream
cool.
house, guys.
in the central of the forest. Right?
Yes, with the river and in the middle of the forest. I think it's going to be cold because I like cold.
Mhm.
I'd rather be cold than hot. So yes, yes, cold weather.
Okay. Natural air conditioner in the forest. Yeah. Okay. Thank you, Laras. Good. Okay. What about you, Fauzan? What is your dream home? How looks like?
How it looks like.
Yeah.
I'm gonna tell you a different.
Like in anime?
Of course not. Of course not.
Because you're Weibo, right?
Not really. I'm a much more Westerner.
Okay.
Let's
Okay.
say.
Please
I like Western
tell
style,
us your.
You know
Mhm.
how my partner here at the left side, Laras, said he wants to live in the middle of village.
Mhm.
I constantly think about crocodiles, bears. They would eat you guys.
Mhm.
It's not suitable place to live.
There is a fairy tales there. Peri. There is a peri so
Fairy
much.
tales, dragons, something,
Uh-huh.
something that is not real, of course.
Mhm.
You know.
So the point
I'm
is.
sorry. The point is, I would rather live in a city.
Oh, the city.
My dream house
Okay.
would be a penthouse at 69th floor.
Ooh. 69. Sir Majid reaction.
No.
Sir Majid reaction.
No
Come on.
pun. Hey,
Oh
no,
yeah.
at the top of the floor.
How many?
No
how
pun
many floors?
intended.
How many floors?
92.
At the top of the floor.
Oh, the top of the
It
floor.
just
Okay.
so happens to be the building is
Yes, dream
the
about
top
it,
floor
yeah.
is 69th.
Ooh.
No pun intended. No pun intended. Audience at home.
Just stay at hotel.
and I would go to work with my dream cars, a futuristic cars,
Okay.
with a nice suit, nice office,
Mhm.
and a nice workflow every day.
Are you
A
come
hard
from?
worker.
Are you come from future?
You could say that was my dream scenario, of course.
Oh yeah, yeah, yeah.
You know, we would work very to the good of the humanity. You can imagine it.
Mhm.
Modernistic with suit in hand,
Mhm.
cool place to live,
Okay.
a loving wife. It's all there.
Oh
You
my
can
God.
imagine it.
Loving wife.
Include that, of course. Include that.
Mm.
So yeah, it is city.
Okay.
I love this.
Two words. Futuristic
City.
home.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Futuristic home.
Yes.
Okay. Thank you. Okay. What about you, Sir Majid? What is your dream home? How looks like? Maybe there is a waterfall in the
No.
behind, or
It's so far we dream like this one for me now. Just what I get now, I enjoy that my life because I'm we call it is too old. I've been old like this one.
no late.
Never.
No late. There is no late
We are not
in the world. Yeah.
They will just only dream about it. Yes, the simple one.
Mm.
Don't dream the highest one. Never happen like
Like
that.
there is a chicken or
Yeah,
a dog
chicken. Oh,
or a
I-
cat in around us.
Yeah. Yeah, around us, if there is just sometimes this is we call pet, yeah, like pet.
Yes,
yeah.
pet.
Yeah, I like to like this
Mhm.
one, small kitchen.
And how to say kolam ikan?
yeah, especially the pond or fish, yeah.
Yes.
But mostly we special golden peach.
Ooh.
And there's still little I have like this one at home.
Mhm,
The
mhm.
small one like this, I like it very much too.
So
Look after
memorable.
peach like this
Mhm,
one,
mhm.
and many cats at home too.
Mm.
Yeah, this one because I like to see or pet. I
Yeah, you
to-
like a pet.
Except dog, I don't like
Oh
it.
yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
Only cat I like it.
Mm.
But sometimes at
It's
night.
because you're
sometime-
very cute.
Yeah, but sometimes at night, yeah, was silly. This is there are many mice
Mm.
to trouble us on the
Mm.
on the roof,
Uh-huh.
saying, "Oh my God,
Mhm.
this is a mice." Or
Your
mouse."
mice is different
rat.
with his and her mice.
Yeah.
For them, mice is meeting intensive, right?
or mice or rat, yeah.
You can call them Mickey Mouse.
Yeah, yeah, mice. Like there is a one again,
Uh.
the big one we call rat.
Oh yeah.
This is danger from me. Sometimes trouble us like this one. And, I put a trap like this one. Sometimes run away with the
Oh yeah.
trap.
Yeah, it's funny.
Yeah, funny.
You know.
Because the big one of the rat.
Mm.
This is the problem.
Okay.
Trouble for me about it too.
I imagine it's totally funny because especially when we flashback to maybe 10, 15 to 20 years ago.
Yeah.
Our home still traditional.
Yeah, traditional
Yeah.
time, yeah.
Mm-mm.
We still many pets.
And everything is
under-
traditional.
And the house traditional house too, yeah, sometimes.
Mm.
Because they're underground.
Yeah.
And we will capture some pet, yeah,
Yes.
under the ground.
Yes.
Yeah,
Okay,
like this
thank you
one.
so much.
Yeah.
Okay, what about you, Andy, from Puncak Maros, SCC? Yeah, what is your dream home and how it looks like?
My dream house look like it's so very. I like a natural,
Oh, natural. Uh-huh.
like in the home it's so semi-modern,
Same modern.
and
yeah.
then in the outside
Can you draw?
have so many garden.
Okay.
I like herbs.
Which one do you choose, garden or kindergarten?
Kindergarten? Oh, no, it's for the children. Just only vegetable garden.
Oh, vegetable. Uh-huh.
There's like cornfield or something.
Uh-huh. So you spend your old.
I'm not spending my whole time to like gardening every day. No.
Buy vegetable just only pick up.
Yeah, just only pick up
Yeah.
because I don't want to push my wife too hard. I mean, if she want to be
Uh-huh.
sick or something problem, I
Mhm.
can cook for her. I can I can give her full love
Ooh.
for entire life.
The husband.
Who everybody knows.
We're talking about future, guys. Yeah. Okay. So back to nature. You like the natural concept,
Yes.
like there is a garden. How to say, like how to say, pool of fish. Yeah.
Yeah.
Something like kolam
Yes,
ikan.
kolam ikan.
Yeah. Pond.
The
Fish pond. You know, everything is natural.
Yes.
Yeah. And also the pet, maybe like a duck, chicken.
Yes, duck, chicken, bird, and
Dog, yeah.
actual except dog.
Yeah. Okay.
I'm phobia for dog.
Oh really?
Yeah,
Okay.
it's very trauma for my children.
You get phobia.
Yeah.
You have to
Mhm.
Yeah,
Yeah.
Mhm.
the causes the rabies is too.
Okay, yeah.
It's so
So maybe when you, how to say, celebrate your birthday, we will put dog in behind you.
No
Kidding.
dog.
Kidding. Okay, thank you.
My pleasure.
Okay, move to the next question. Yes, we're talking about home. Actually, when we talk home, even it's little bit different, but we move to like another case, like traditional house.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. What kind of traditional house do you like, guys? Because we are very diversity from Sabang until Merauke. We have a lot of traditional house in
Yeah.
Indonesia. We are the richest cultures in the world. So which kind of traditional house you like it? Okay, Laras. Okay, what about you?
So my
Joglo?
yes, kind.
Kind.
The Joglo house, the one with the hay, the one with the hay roof. Yes,
Mhm.
I think it's going to be like cold there because there will they use a hay for
Mhm.
roof, so I think it's going to be comfortable. And then yes, I think it's going to be comfortable.
Yeah, what is the significant difference with another traditional house? Joglo with another.
So first of all, I like how it looks.
Mhm.
It looks aesthetic.
Okay.
Yes, and especially the roof. I like the roof. I don't know why. It's just like it's drawing me in because
Genteng?
yes,
Mhm.
genteng.
Yeah.
It's
No.
yes.
No. Sing.
It's saying for Joglo. I think it's from genteng. No?
Genteng?
Yes.
Yes.
Yeah.
Why you try to interpret? You are originally Java, please.
Yes.
Come on.
I'm confused. I'm sorry. Like I raised here. That's why it's kind of
Oh,
confused.
Okay.
But yeah, I think Joglo house is going to be comfortable and cold, and yeah, I think that's all.
Okay.
Type of Japanese house, yeah.
Yes.
Nice question.
Genteng, yes.
Thank you. It's Java province.
Yes.
Okay. What about you, Sir Majid? How looks like the traditional home you like? Which one traditional like?
Yeah, this is traditional. We couldn't find in
Balat
the
Lumpur?
big city, yeah. Yeah, just only out of the city, yeah. Like Balumbo, Makassar, like place, yeah.
Mhm.
Istana, we call it Balumbo,
Yeah.
like Sunguminasa.
Tamalate,
Yeah,
Tamalate.
yeah,
Mhm.
Istana Tamalate.
Mhm.
This we call Balumpua.
Yes.
Or Makassar language, yeah, like this
Mhm.
one. But we can find only part from the city.
Mhm.
In the city, we cannot find any more about traditional house.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, mostly,
It's so sad.
yeah, stone house.
Oh
Yeah,
yeah.
or
yeah.
wooden house.
Mhm.
But no, like this one in the pillars, yeah.
Mhm.
There is stake many, yeah.
Mhm.
Except like this one, and there is underground
Yeah.
to look after the pet.
Yes.
Yeah, in the pillars.
Yeah.
But in Makassar, we couldn't find anymore.
Yeah,
like
not
this one.
anymore.
Because this is include the big city. Yeah, like in Java too, yeah, we couldn't find Jokla house, only the out of the city, yeah, like Jakarta.
Mm.
Yeah, this is actually I like very much the house because the house of Bugis Makassar. Oh, this is
Yeah,
Bugis
yeah. The
Makassar house.
characteristic.
Yeah, the
The
characteristic. Yeah.
the top, the roof.
Yeah,
the roof.
the top,
Yeah.
the roof.
Yes.
Like Makassar, Timbasila, another, yeah.
Mm.
And there is a state tanggal lagi
Mhm.
from the wooden state, yeah.
And of course, there
Yeah.
there is a philosophy
Yeah, like
inside.
philosophy. Yeah, there is
Yeah.
the meaning everything like this
Mhm,
one. Yeah,
mhm.
like there is country state like this one about apa Timbasila tiga bersusun itu.
Ooh.
Of course, heritage of the king.
Yeah,
You see,
there is
yeah.
a history.
Yeah, history like this one. Yeah.
Mhm.
The second one about the if there is apa ada atasnya begini juga
Yeah,
itu turunan
it's
raja.
like X.
Yeah, X ada.
Yeah, X
Above
letter.
on the roof.
Uh-huh.
Yeah, itu like we call this is a heritage of the king. And the second one, upstairs only one room, mostly like hall. Yeah, the traditional house of Bugis Makassar like hall.
Yeah.
Ya kayak aula.
Okay.
And how to say that? And sit together like in we can find like in
Yeah.
Toraja like this one too.
Yeah.
I say someone told us
There is no block.
yeah, there is no room.
There is no
no
room.
room like this one. Only like hall.
Oh,
And
yeah.
together. And do you know, one foreigner asked me, how about if there is privacy? I say both of them, if privacy, go to behind of the door to do that. Yeah, like this one. Yeah.
Okay, censor. No,
Yeah, privacy
no.
like
Come
this
on,
one.
skip,
Yeah,
skip.
foreigner.
Skip. Okay, thank you, Sir Majid. Okay, what about you, Fauzan? Which one traditional house you like? Your favorite? In Indonesia, from Sabang until Merauke.
So we're talking about traditional houses. I have two candidates in my mind.
Oh, two candidate. Okay,
Two
what kind?
traditional houses that I think look sick. That was cool.
Yeah.
Okay, the first one is at Lombok.
Yeah,
Oh.
different.
It's
Sasak traditional house.
yeah,
Right?
Sasak traditional house.
Mhm.
The kind of Smurf like
Mhm.
oval shape and then circling around seven.
Is any
of course the village is
is
like
any hobbit
circling
there?
around.
Is any hobbit inside?
No, but Sasak people there. There's the hobbit. But I imagine it. It would be look so cool when you lit up a fire in the middle. Then we dance around the fire.
Oh, you try to imagine it.
You get the idea, right? It's so cool. Like it's so cool. Community, like hunt or a village or sport happening, traditional sport happening around the center of the village. It looks sick.
Fauzan.
And one more candidate
Uh-huh.
in of traditional houses that I would like is Gadang.
Oh,
House
Padang,
of
yeah?
Gadang in
Sumatera
Padang.
Barat
This is
province.
what they dig,
Sumatra.
Yeah,
It was so cool, the design,
Mhm.
like the curvy but
Like
sharp
shape,
pointy end.
Mm.
It was so cool,
Mm.
so long, and it was majestic.
Majestic.
That's the word,
Yes.
majestic.
Okay.
I mean, I would live there.
Mhm.
That was cool.
Okay.
Yeah, Gadang.
Fauzan, are you a rapper? Okay, forget it. Thank you.
Of course.
Keep your statement.
I am sorry.
Okay, Andy.
Yes.
You get a point, right? What is your favorite traditional house in Indonesia?
Yes, it's especially in Dayak.
Okay,
House of
rumah.
Yeah, in Kalimantan.
How do we call that? Rumah panggung.
Rumah panggung.
Rumah panggung.
Yes.
Why do you like it?
Because it's the building. It's so very natural and so mystical.
Mystical. Also.
Yeah, it's cast the mystical, and who want to enter that have so many spiritual thing before they do that.
Oh wow.
Yes.
Mm-hmm.
If someone decided to don't do that,
Mm-hmm.
they will get karma, the bad karma, or
Which
the-
one is karma? Is come from chocolate song?
no,
No.
it's come from their ancestor,
Their
the
ancestors.
spirit of ancestor.
Mhm.
Yes.
So, do you have a plan to go there?
Yes, if I have chance, time, and a lot of grace from God, I will go there someday.
So maybe you thinking that you will be also build similarities with.
I think no. Just want to visit,
Because you like
not to
it.
live it. I like it, but I don't want to leave it in there
Oh, okay.
because I'm still falling in love in Makassar forever.
Forever. I like your statement. Okay.
Yes.
Yeah. Okay. We still have time, guys. Of course, prepare yourself to maybe mention about your vocabularies, about your idioms, about your wise word, about your motivation. And now we move to about conclusion. Okay. Please give your conclusion about our topic for this evening on your perspective, Andy.
The conclusion about
Our topic.
our topic.
Yes.
For the conclusion of this topic, it looks very interesting,
Mm-hmm.
and then we can introduce to our student or our people how them to try to love their families,
Mhm.
especially not only for I'm coming from home, after that I'm sleep, I'm eat, and going out, and then I'm come back, and you don't try to ask grace from your parents, especially your mother, and then try to talk to them what happened to you and ask for solution or something in your life.
Okay.
Yeah.
Very deep message. Okay, thank you. What about you, Laras?
So the conclusion that I can give for our tonight's topic:
Yes.
there's no place like home.
60 seconds for you.
So
Okay.
it's actually pretty similar with my opening state.
Uh-huh.
That home is a place or a person
Mhm.
where we can feel comfortable and where we can share them anything, where we feel safe and sound.
Okay.
And I think this topic, I think it's a very great topic, and I think we're going to use it in our next PMEC meeting. Yes. Yes.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, the creators. Okay.
I think that's all for
Okay,
me. Like a
thank
short
you.
conclusion.
Okay, what about you, Sir Majid?
yeah.
Our legend. Okay, what about your
Grandpa, yeah.
your conclusion about our topic this evening, please?
Yeah, this is summary, like this one.
Mhm.
Yeah. This is my best place.
Mm.
Yeah, because without home, without place,
Uh-huh.
we can stay on the open air.
Yes.
Yeah, this is so important. Home,
Mhm.
home. There we call the second wife. Yeah, we call like this one. Yeah.
If you are a
Yeah.
man, if you are a man, the
Yeah,
second
the second
wife.
wife.
If you are a woman, the second husband.
No. There is no second husband for the women.
Polyandry.
Yeah.
We call it polyandry. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, this is home is my best place. Yeah.
Uh-huh.
Without home,
Uh-huh.
yeah, we couldn't live forever.
Oh wow.
Yeah, because home is my best place for me.
Uh-huh.
Yeah, this one, and home we can find every country, but moreover in the how to say in the village or the city we have home.
And the
If
point.
there is no one home, is what we call homeless.
it's different case.
Because home is the first
Yeah.
important one.
And the most important is the home is until pembaringan terakhir.
Yeah, no,
Uh-huh.
no. Cemetery like that. If you say the last of the sleeping is like cemetery, yeah, or we can bury it there.
Oh my god.
Yeah.
Thank you, Sir Majid.
Okay, thank
What
you.
about you, Fauzan? What is your conclusion about our topic for this evening?
There's no place like home.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
There's no place like home. It means homes is a special place you could ever be
Yeah.
there or with someone.
Mm-hmm.
I suggest for those of you who hasn't find a home yet, find them,
Mm-hmm.
because that is once you find them.
He is a camera person because always you see the camera like a host,
He
like
likes to say
like a
body,
like
his
like a
body.
like a presenter.
Yeah.
Yes.
we'll talk to the audience.
Yeah.
You know.
He is a totally
You can see the
extrovert,
accent good,
absolutely
yeah.
extrovert.
No,
Okay.
no.
Come on.
Okay.
Continue.
Yeah.
No.
You want to see his accent.
Okay,
well.
Yes,
Yeah.
continue.
Came back to the topic.
Mm-hmm.
There's no place like home. To find a home, it's not an easy task.
Mm-hmm.
Sometimes there are people with broken home.
Mm-hmm.
Sometimes there are people with no one to cling to,
Mm-hmm.
no one to come back, even no place to come back. We must be grateful with what we have and rejoice what we have in life. And don't ever waste the chances in life when you have found that home, because
Okay.
once you lost it, there's no going back, and there's no more home for you,
Mhm.
no more place to come back to.
And thank you.
That is my
Okay.
conclusion.
Thank you guys. Giving applause for us. Okay. Thank you, Fauzan from BBC. Thank you, Sir Majid, our legend from BBC.
I like home.
Thank you, Laras,
I
from
love you,
PMC.
Mom.
Thank you, Andy from ECC. That's all our conversation or discussion about topic. There is no place like home for today, for this evening. Yeah. Don't forget to always listen and watch our program, Smart Up Your Life English Discussion, Smart FM with English Community every Tuesday at 7 p.m. Of course, every Tuesday. And yeah, I am Ridias Desirel. Of course, I would like to say thank you so much for your kind attention. See you for the next week. Bye bye.